Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. To returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you, and if you're just joining me for the very first time, thank you so much. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bells, and guess what guys, we're about to have a ride of a lifetime. So last night, Angel and Jackie B got into a conversation, and like we all know, this issue was about Michael. And of course, we heard Jackie B telling Angel that she's got love for her, but of course she doesn't like the fact that people knew herself and Michael together, but that most of the housemates did not respect the fact that Michael was with her.
But hopefully now that I've explained it to you, hopefully you understand better why I was, I felt the way I felt. At the end of the day, I have love for you. Do you understand? People were teasing me that, people were saying you don't have guys in your bed. What happened? Yeah, exactly. Like, I'm definitely getting close to this guy. So can people just respect it? That's what I was expecting. I would just respect it. Let me see for myself and everything. But I just felt like we're not giving each other.
Then Angel told Jackie B that, you know what, when this guy came into the house, you guys never started off as friends. You guys just hit the romantic stage straight up.
Even, like, it was just the first week that he was here. So I was like,
yeah, I said the same thing. Like, you guys didn't start off as friends exactly. It was more like romance shit, mostly because of the atmosphere of the house and people just. So there's that pressure.
The funny thing is, that was it looked like that. I can understand because we're together in love, we're in the same bed and everything. But funny enough, our conversations were never really like that. But I don't expect you to know because you're not in bed with me. But no.
And then of course Jackie B went ahead to say that she's removing herself from this situation as she doesn't want to be romantically linked with anyone in the house.
At the end of the day, I'm honestly removing myself from the situation. I don't have anything against the guy. He's a cool guy. I like him as a guy, as a person, and everything. And even though we're not talking now, I'm sure we'll talk at some point and we'll figure it out. But I don't want that whole romantic thing anymore. Anything that looks romantic, because that's not what I'm seeking out here. Just like I'm sure you have your own personal side. Just I don't want myself to look stupid here.
She then went on to say that she's beginning to sound like a broken record, and of course I think she's sounding a lot like a broken record because she said that, you know what, her son is watching, and I'm like, why is your son watching an 18 rated show?
And I keep saying this, my son is watching, and that's another thing I will not like bothers me. And I'm tired of sounding, I know I'm sounding like a broken record at this point. But my son is watching now. I'm getting close to this guy, and then another person is like, you see all these things. I don't want to look stupid. And that's why I keep saying I don't want to look stupid on TV. Do you understand? That's what's bothering me. I don't want my son to sit there and think it's okay. So I know I have to overthink something sometimes, but at the end of the day, I have to. My son is 10.
Now we see Angel and Michael right there in the same place that herself and Jackie B had a conversation, and we hear Angel telling Michael what herself and Jackie B discussed. And Angel said that if she has to take herself away from the Jackie B Michael situationship, she has to do that. But she's not going to lie that she enjoys Michael's company, and of course she enjoys the conversations that she has with him.
I told her, like, I'm cool with you, and I already even told her that if both of you had to work if I had to move for both of you to work, then that's fine. But I cannot lie that I don't enjoy like speaking to you because you're cool and everything. So what's the guarantee that if we continue speaking, it's still not going to be an issue regardless? So it's just better that we put that space in now.
Yeah. Now I'm beginning to suspect that Big Brother actually gave Angel a task over Michael, because you know what, GMK said she overheard Jackie B telling Tega, this is GMK telling Angel right now that she heard Jackie B telling Tega that Jackie B was angry at the fact that Angel touched Michael. And we hear Angel telling Michael here that, you know what's up, it's because Big Brother gave me this stuff in the diary room. I mean, she didn't really want to break out the information because it's a secret diary session, and of course we all know how the secret diary session goes, so you don't have to really tell people what Big Brother has told you to do. But of course Angel hinted the fact that, Big Brother gave her the directive and gave her the task or the assignment to pull Michael or to touch Michael.
JMK was telling me that she overheard her telling Tega in the kitchen. I don't know if it was Tega or something, but they were talking about like she was probably upset that I touched her like that. And then I'm like, that the only reason I touched her was because of the diary session thing, and I was told not to let any. That's how the secret diary session is run. They'll tell you, don't tell anyone. I pulled you away from the area. I mean, it's shit like that. Like, irrespective, like even if I touched you, I'm not coming on to you. I can just touch you like hi also.
She finally then told Michael that this is it. The first day he walked into the house, herself, Angel, and Jackie Bas spotted him. And of course, for both of them, Michael was their spec. And of course, they told themselves. I mean, Angel said that, you know what, she told Jackie Bas that this is my spec. She's found a spec. And of course, Jackie Bas was like, you know, the guy is also my spec. But this was a situation of, you know what, Jackie Bas shooting her shot as fast as possible.
First time we walked in to the door, I'm like, the first thing I said is we push you.
The what? The first thing you said was what?
I was like, we push you. I found my spec.
Oh.
I think we sat side by side. So she was like, well, I already told you that.
Yeah.
So I mean, we had like mutual attraction.
Yeah.
And we both knew we had mutual attraction. And she told me she was going to shoot her shot. And she did so that night.
Now, still in line with this gist, we hear Bbnaija in the kitchen with some other guys, and of course he's seen telling these guys that Angel told him that she loves snatching people's boyfriends for fun.
Because the thing, don't forget to like give me. If don't forget. If first go forget. Yes. And nothing for my life will make me take Angel seriously. You will cry. Why you do that? Of course. Inside this house. Hell no.
Angel, nah, the number one cruise lady for Africa. I say, at the shower.
She knows something.
Saga has also gone out to reveal to the guys that, you know what, there's no other girl that is a spec in the house, and Nini is a spec. That's why he's been with Nini and Nini alone.
Angel. You select them well.
Now why they just cruise? Now why they
So most of the only people that bring the bring almost the same odds. Yeah.
But we don't varieties. You know something that the other people spend.
Huh? I get. Do you understand?
Yeah, I understand.
So that's why I just did it first.
People with my taste stuff.
Yeah, I like her, so
Yeah, exactly.
Moving on to my next gist, Cross has cut his hair.
This your hair makes you look like a normal human being. What did you do to your hair since that time? This one's a lot tinier as well.
Wow.
Thanks, baby. Welcome back. I beg, hurry up. The pleasantries are gone. We want alcohol. That is the truth of the matter.
How did this all start? Remember that himself and Saskia started a conversation during the day about their situationship. And then it got to a particular point. Saskia was talking about his dreads and saying that, you know what, she really does not like a guy on dreads.
But you can take your time to think about it, honestly. But like I said, I will not lie to you. This looks very unkept. I won't even lie, honestly.
How long have you had your locks for?
3 months.
3 months. Oh, okay. I thought it was longer.
3 months, right?
That's actually around 14 months. That's like that was you're not emotional about
Once or
14
twice,
months.
normal. Once you do, I understand. Once you do, I understand.
Seems to me like Cross is beginning to take Saskia seriously, right? Of course, still on this Saskia issue, Saskia is still with J. Paul, and of course she's telling J. Paul that, you know what, she doesn't want him to feel some type of way, and that's why she's here talking to him so that she can clear the air about what's going on between herself and Cross.
Happiness, obviously. I've told you straight how it is. I'm not trying to be with one person and not be with the other, or like have a situation with one person. That's not it. I'm basically getting to know both of you. Do you understand? Then I would know if there are chances of it working out. I mean, that's it. If I was a bad person, I would have. I mean, it's just as small as this house is. I would have hidden that from both of you. Yeah, I can do that.
Well, J. Paul says he understands that. He understands what she's trying to say and he understands what she's trying to do, and that for him, he has removed himself from the situationship that involves Saskia and Cross, and he has put himself in the neutral space.
I kind of understand the situation you're in, and I don't even want you to be in that situation. That's why I'm telling you that if it's easy, you've explained what you want. Me, I understand. So I've removed myself and put in the equation that whether it's like this or whether it's like
What
this.
What equation did you think you were in before?
No, the equation that I probably would have put myself.
Bro, I hate having this topic.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I said, are you sure you want to have
It's okay, because I always feel like Don't worry.
And then at night, we find Sasuke and J. Paul in the same bed sleeping. Now, for me personally, I think that J. Paul is undoing himself because Michael just got into the house 2 weeks ago and he sold himself as an artist, right?
Hey, got the cross and the braids now. Ooh, shout out to Cross, he a wave now. Yeah, putting my slippers on. I'm putting my slippers on. Getting in the lane, get my dipper on. You know what it is, I get my tipper on. Yeah, big old M's, big old Benz, hey, white money.
This is J. Paul, who's a presenter, who is an artist. I know J. Paul personally, right? And here he's in the house, not selling himself at all, not doing anything. We just see him with Sasuke. There is no narrative about J. Paul except it is linked with Sasuke. Please go to the comment section and let us continue our conversations there. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bells, and guess what? You get notified whenever I post a video. Go on all social media platforms on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, and of course on TikTok, and follow me at The Femi Daniel. And until next time I come with you very soon, it's bye for now.